Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a blinking star effect in PowerPoint using blink animation. This is a simple yet effective trick to make your presentation stand out. Let's start the video. First, go to the Insert tab, click on Shape, select Star and drag it like this. Next, right click on the star, go to Format Shape and increase transparency. Then go to the Animation tab, click on Add Animation, click on Emphasis section, then select Blink Animation. Click on Animation pane, right click on the blink animation and select Timing. Set the duration to about 0.5 seconds. Set the repeat option to until end of slide to make the star blink continuously during the presentation. Now let's copy the star shape and paste a lot of stars. After this, adjust the blinking time and duration of each star so that they don't all blink at once. Creating a natural twinkling star effect. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.